everyone, welcome back to Home Decor 101. Now, if you live in a small home or apartments, you know that decorating can be a little tricky. You want your space to feel cozy but not cramped, stylish but not cluttered. Well, today we're breaking down interior design styles that work beautifully for small homes and apartments. So whether you're living in a studio apartment, a tiny house, or you just want to make your home feel more open and airy, I've got you covered. We'll talk about what makes each style work, how to spot it, and how you can bring that look to life without sacrificing space or comfort. So grab your favorite drink, get cozy, and let's get into it. Now we're going to kick off by talking about Scandinavian style. This one's a superstar when it comes to small spaces. Born out of Nordic living, where long winters mean people spend a lot of time indoors, this design is all about light, simplicity, and functionality. So think bright whites, soft neutrals, natural wood, and clean lines. Everything in a Scandi space serves a purpose, but still looks beautiful. If you've got a small living room, consider a simple light gray sofa with tapered wooden legs, a soft throw blanket, and maybe even a few green plants. The idea is to make your home feel peaceful, breathable, and clutter-free. An extra tip for you, use sheer curtains to let natural light flow through. It instantly makes the room feel twice as big. Next up, we have Japandi, a beautiful blend of Japanese minimalism and Scandinavian warmth. This style is all about balance. It's calm, cozy, and incredibly intentional. You'll see neutral palettes, soft taupes, warm woods, muted blacks, and a focus on natural textures like bamboo, linen, and stone. Japandi is perfect for small homes because it embraces simplicity. Every item has a meaning. Try adding low furniture, clean lines, and soft organic fabrics. Keep your decor minimal but meaningful. A single ceramic vase or textured rug can really speak volumes. Number 3. Now if you love color, texture, and soul, modern bohemian might be your match. Now unlike traditional boho, which can get a little busy, the modern version keeps things light and airy. Start with a neutral base like white or beige walls and layer with earthy tones, rattan accents, and cozy textiles. Think woven baskets, macrame, and layered rugs. The trick here is balance. In small spaces, pick just a few statement pieces, maybe a really bold in-your-face rug, a few throw pillows with pattern, and 1 or 2 plants just to bring a little bit of life into the room. You'll still get that free-spirited, collected over time look without overwhelming your space. Number 4, we have Minimalist Modern, a small space favorite for obvious reasons. This style focuses on clean lines, open space, and less is more. Now, minimal doesn't mean cold, though. The secret to making it feel warm is through texture. Think soft throws, smooth marble, and light-toned wood. Stick to a really restrained color palette: black, white, beige, maybe 1 or 2 accent tones, and focus on shape and proportion. Floating shelves, multifunctional furniture, and hidden storage are your best friends here. The less clutter, the more your space feels open and calming. We all want that peaceful vibe. Next up, we have Coastal Chic. For those who crave light, breezy spaces, Coastal Chic is going to be perfect for you. The look isn't about seashells and anchors. It's about creating a space that feels really fresh and relaxed. So soft blues, sandy beiges, and crisp whites dominate this palette. Add linen curtains, woven textures, and driftwood accents. Now, even if you're miles from the beach, this style brings a sense of calm and openness that small spaces just really love. Pro tip for you, large mirrors reflect light and give the illusion of more space, perfect for coastal-inspired homes. Number 6, mid-century modern. A style that just never seems to go out of fashion. It's known for its functional furniture, tapered legs, and simple silhouettes, all of which make spaces, especially small spaces, look sleek and uncluttered. Warm woods, mustard yellows, teals, and earthy oranges bring in tons of personality. This style works so well in small homes because it's built around pieces that are practical yet sculptural, like a small credenza that doubles as a TV stand or a compact armchair that still makes a design statement. A single statement light fixture like a Sputnik chandelier, which is super popular in this style, can instantly elevate the look. And number 7, transitional style. Now, if you love a mix of traditional comfort and modern simplicity, transitional style is going to be your sweet spot. This look blends the best of both worlds, classic details and contemporary finishes. In a small home, that might mean soft gray walls, sleek furniture, and cozy textiles like velvet or even linen. Keep decor streamlined, but add touches of warmth, like a tufted headboard or a timeless wood side table. This style feels timeless, balanced, and incredibly livable. Perfect for those who don't want to commit fully to a modern or traditional room. And finally, let's talk about industrial lights. Because full industrial loft may be too heavy for a small space, but a lighter version can work absolutely great. So think exposed brick wallpaper, the peel and stick kind is perfect. Matte black fixtures, warm wood and metal accents, but balanced with softer textiles like throws and rugs just to warm things up a little bit. The trick here is moderation. 1 or 2 industrial elements will go a long way in a small space. So whether you love the cozy minimalism of Scandinavian, the organic calm of Japandi, or the playful layers of Bohemian style, there's a design out there that fits your small home or apartment perfectly. The key is balance, choosing pieces you truly love, letting light in, and keeping the clutter out. Remember, size doesn't define style. Even the smallest home can feel grand when they reflect you, my dear. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Home Decor 101, and check out the description for some of my favorite small space decor finds from Amazon. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one right here on Home Decor 101. Remember, no matter if you are dwelling in a mansion or keeping it small in a small apartment or home, the best thing that you can have in your home is a happy family and a feeling of gratitude. See you guys next time.